Hola mis serenitas, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Chiquita Serenita, and today we're doing Glamlite's Foodie box. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. I got it when Glamlite started saying they're gonna put it down about like a foodie box. I believe it was like 30 something, $39.99, something like that. I'm probably gonna put everything in the description box, but it was like 6 products for that same, price, and I thought that was a great price because considering that just the highlighter alone costed like what, $14, something like that. So I thought it was awesome. I snagged it. I kid you not. I think they did it at 7 o'clock in the morning. I put on an alarm and I was like in the living room. I'm waiting. I was waiting. As soon as I saw it, I was like, boom, I'm there. So when you open her up, of course, right now she's all over the place because I unwrapped her. But she had everything like packed so well in this, and then another, bubble wrap on bottom and on top, and this is everything that's in here. Of course, it's like all over. Like I said, it's open. I took it all out. I had to use it. So we have the Street Taco palette. I don't have any Glamlite palettes except for the donut one that I already did a tutorial on. So when I got excited when I saw these boxes, I was like, I don't got anything Glamlite. Let me go over there. There were so many people complaining, I already got the Street Taco. I'm like, B, sit down. I don't got the Street Taco. Let me ride this horse. Like, I want it. I'm not kidding when I say that I solely bought this this box for this. We're doing that right now because I have no highlighter, so we're doing that. So I want to start with swatches with the palette because you guys know we swatch everything here. We ain't playing on this channel, okay? So let me start from here and I'll go across till we get to the end. I'm going to start with Pico de Gallo, which is a shimmer. It is this orangey zest shimmer that I love. It looks so pretty in person. It almost has this gold tone shift, so it's definitely like a dual chrome. That's what it looks like in person. Now, if you guys don't know what Pico de Gallo is, it is basically like a chunky tomato salsa. You know that chunky tomato salsa you guys see when you guys go eat tacos? It's got cilantro in it. It's got onions in it and these chunks of just, oh, and they got jalapeno, of course, but I don't put jalapeno in mine because we don't do spice around here. But it's Pico de Gallo. Next to that, we have limon, and limon is just lemon in Spanish, for those of you that don't know. This is a super lime green matte. Very pretty. Then you have red onions, which is a purple shimmer. Oh, God, I love that one. I wonder if this one's similar to the one that I have in my donut palette. I'd have to look. Then we have al pastor. Al pastor is the color that I used right here. Al pastor is just a type of meat that you have for the Mexican tacos. I personally don't like that one. Next we have a matte orange that's called picante, and picante just means spicy. This is another matte, really pretty too. Next to that we have guacamole, which is a shimmer. I used that one today for my overall eyelid. Very pretty. It is like this chartreuse, like seriously blinding lime green chartreuse shimmer. So pretty in person though. Then in the next row we have pollo, and pollo is chicken. I use this as my transition shade. It's such a beautiful brown though. A little bit of fallout, not a crazy amount, but it's such a pretty color in person. Next to that we have carnitas. Carnitas is shredded pork basically. This is such a pretty color. Let me tell you guys what this color looks like. In person, it looks like a straight up metal type of gold, like this bronze gold. When you swipe it, it has these elements of this gold, like this, I want to call it like a Bambi brown, and then this flicker of this khaki color in there. It's a very hard color to describe, but it's like a duochrome, and it's very, very pretty in person. It looks awesome. Next, we have repollo rojo, which just means red cabbage. I don't know why they put it in Spanish. I heard somebody saying it and trying to say it. Somebody who doesn't normally speak Spanish, they were like, repollo rojo. And I was like, ooh, girl. I actually really enjoy when I see people taking an effort to speak Spanish. I think that's awesome. I love it when you guys leave me comments on my Spanish. And I know you guys don't normally speak Spanish. I think it's really awesome, and I love it. I don't mind helping. Like, I will straight up correct someone. Oh, you're supposed to say it this way. And I don't mean it in a mean way. I just love teaching in that way. I don't want to say that I want to be a teacher, because heck no, that's too hard. So next we have Carne Asada, which is the last color in this palette. This is a very maroon type of brown. It's a matte. It's very pretty too. The one thing I will say is her colors are super pigmented, but they also leave like kind of stain, you know, like right now I'm noticing that my fingers, and on top of the fact my arm where I'm doing the swatches, it has like residual stains. And right now I'm thinking like I should find a makeup wipe to wipe this arm down before I do the Spanish swatches, you know, because people are going to think I'm getting beat up over here. I want to let you guys know, just in case you guys didn't know, that's the last of the swatches. She had this shrink wrapped, and then she had the no, actually, yeah, this was shrink wrapped, and then it was wrapped in plastic, and it was placed in this cardboard box, and this cardboard box was like shrink wrapped. I think it was that way. It was shrink wrapped, then the palette was an actual palette, like it was in plastic wrap. So she's not joking when it comes to like packaging. I like that she did that at the same time, because I'm like, dang girl, you weren't trying to get nothing. Like, you know, shattered shadows, nothing. We weren't trying to play. So next we have, and it's a shame that I can't show you guys, but these are the taco lashes. I'm wearing them. You guys know we don't do lashes. Like, I tend to leave all my lashes for special occasions, you know, anniversaries and stuff like that. I do not wear lashes on this channel. So if you see me in lashes, you're lucky. Could give yourself, Sarah, wear lashes today. But this one is called Carne Asada. She did say they were going to have like random different kinds in different boxes. So someone else probably got a different style than me. I personally thought both of these lashes looked the freaking same. Like, seriously. So my second pair of lashes she gave me are these. These are Margarita lashes. I thought they looked so similar to these taco lashes. I honestly didn't even see a difference. Then again, I'm not really a fanatic of fake lashes anyway, so they probably all look the same, you know? You've seen one, you've seen them all. But look, they're pretty. I mean, they're full. I had, this one actually, I put it on way too long. I had to take it off, cut it down, and put it back in, because I was like, girl, you're too long. You messing with my eye. It was already messing with my eye. But these are cute. I got 2 pairs of lashes, so the ones that I'm wearing, and then I got these Margaritas. And these ones are Presidente, which means president in English. You know, my Spanish always got to come out. This is Carne Asada, if I didn't mind to tell you guys. And then we got, and I'm laughing because people couldn't say this. It's Champurrado. Like, people were like, Champurrado. If you guys don't know what Champurrado is, Champurrado is, it's one of those seasonal drinks, like hot chocolate, right? Champurrado, to us, we usually drink it during the winter season. So when you think Champurrado, you think, oh my God, this is going to be, we're going to have this for like Christmas, for Thanksgiving, for New Year's Eve, stuff like that. I really, really love Champurrado. It is one of my favorite drinks. When I make it, it's not as thick as some people make it, because you put like, it's called maseca, and it's like a cornmeal, and it makes it thicker. Some people tend to overdo it, and then it's just like this thick chocolate drink. But this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I don't know, for some reason, I was like, am I mistaken? I thought I was going to get a different kind. I thought I was going to get horchata for some reason. Or maybe I had mistaked what came in the box. I don't know. It smells chocolatey though. It smells really, really nice, you guys. It's just like, and I don't have nothing on my lips, so yeah, I've been waiting to do swatches. It has this metallic, it's really thick, you guys. Let me tell you guys, it's really thick. I don't want to say it's sticky, but it does have this heaviness to it. Like, I'm telling you guys, like, it's thick. So I would apply a thin layer. Definitely use it with a lip liner, because I don't like the way it looks by itself. I mean, by itself it's awesome, but I'm just saying, for me, my personal taste, I would wear a lip liner with it. But it's very pretty, and it smells like chocolate. Like I'm telling you guys, chocolate. Oh God, I love that. So let me take this off and we're going to swatch that other one that's in here that's called Agua Fresca I think it's Sandia. So next we have Agua Fresca. It's just basically a watermelon water, you guys. Mexican drinks, they have a lot of different flavors. My favorite is horchata. And I actually do like Agua Fresca, like Agua Fresa, not Agua Fresca. Agua Fresa is like my third favorite because I prefer horchata, and then I prefer piña, agua de piña, and then like Agua Fresa is like my third favorite. But this one has this pink, and it's, oh my god, this smells like a strawberry milkshake. This smells so freaking good. Ooh, this is so pretty in person though. It adds this little pink metallic sheen on your lips. This is perfect for like a pink lip. And it smells amazing. I love that. It smells like strawberries. You guys can see it a little bit on my brown lips, right? It's pretty. It's cute. I like it. So, for the last thing in this box, because I know all of you guys have been waiting for this. Let's do a drum roll. I'm just kidding. Look at the little Concha palette. Oh my god, I was going all crazy. People were calling it Concha. It's actually pronounced Concha. Like a cone that you would lick ice cream off. And then cha. Concha. It's a type of bread. That's what this little thing is. It's basically like a seashell pattern bread. And it's fluffy. And it has this little thick, I want to call it like hardened, like crumbly texture to it. When you pull it apart, it has visible little pieces of cinnamon. It smells so good. And with coffee, girl, like, there is no better way to get faster to diabetes and die happily. I will take that shot. So I'm going to take it out of this packaging. If I can open my freaking, with these coffin nails. This is so pretty. Look. I'm not joking when I said that I bought the box only for the Concha highlighter, and that was way before I even knew you could actually buy it with it. So it has a little button here, you push it and then it opens. Oh my god. So the mirror is, I think it's covered by something protective because it looks kind of fuzzy. Yeah, there's a protective film on it. So this is the actual highlighter. Let me tell you guys, online, she made it look like it was like this pink, like a light pink. It's actually more purple than pink. It's like a lavender. Really, it still looks really, really pretty though. Like, let's put some on because I want to try it. I'm just going to put one on one cheek because like I said, I need to do the Spanish swatches still. But look at that. You guys see it? Oh my god. Okay, we're going to do like an arm swatch here. So you guys can see. Like, this is so freaking awesome. Look, you see that? Oh my god. You can see it. I can see it in my face. It's so pretty. It gives this really pink strawberry milkshake sheen on my face. Oh my god. If it shows up on my brown skin, you girls. Oh my god, you guys. Look at that. You guys see that? I love that. That's such an awesome thing to add. I thought that was so unique when I saw it. I was like, it's a Concha, dude. Say no more. Take my money. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Those are my little 6 things in the little box. Other than that, if you guys want to see how the look I created today, then just stay tuned. Okay, you guys, for my first color, I'm going to go in with this color called Pollo, which means chicken in Spanish. That is my transition shade that I used today, and it's very pretty. I had no real problems with it. It's like a very light camel brown, I would consider it. Very pretty though. So that's what you guys are going to see me do. For my second color, I went in with this color called Guacamole. It is a shimmer. And just the same consistency with like the other, the donut palette. It's like the exact same formula. So it does have that type of like, it could fall off, you know, onto your cheeks. And then you end up with this huge shimmery mess. So definitely eyes before the rest of your face. And there should be no problems. So that's what I'm going to use. So for my next color, I went in with this color right here. This is called Carne Asada. It's a dark brown. Maybe a tiny bit like a red in it. It's like a maroon brown, but it's definitely more brown than maroon. So, and I tapped that right here in this corner, a little bit across, and a little bit down here. So for the color that I used right here on my bottom lid, I went in with this color called Al Pastor. It is a very dark coral red orange almost. I liked it. Yeah, I just put it right here up until like this point. So that's what you guys are going to see me do. So what I did next is I took this green matte right here. It's like a bright neon green. It's called limon, which means lemon in Spanish, you know. And I just patted it right here on the little edge between that shimmer green and that dark brown. So that's what you guys are going to see me do. I'm just going to take my finger and like lightly pat it into that little corner right there. So for my inner corner highlight, I went in and used this, it looks like this gold, like metal melted gold, and it's called Carnitas. And I just, you know, used my finger and put it in that corner. I'm having a hard time doing inner corners with these freaking coffin nails. But that's what I did. I tried to even use a brush. I'm probably going to use a brush and my finger at the same time because it's so hard to apply it with just the finger. So that's pretty much it for the eye, you guys. Let me pop some mascara over here. I'm not going to put the eyelash till after I do the close-up because, yeah, it's too much. I wanted you guys to see the eye in its entirety, how it looks. And then afterwards, hopefully, if I remember, I'll come back with eyeliner and that freaking lash that's getting on my nerves. So let me go do that and I'll be right back. So this is how the look turned out. I really like it. I like those colors, the way they blend together. I just had a little bit of problem with that darkest brown because it's really hard to blend out, I'm going to be honest. So let me back you guys out and give you guys my final thoughts on this palette. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and my final thoughts on this Street Taco palette is I actually do like it. The only one that I said that I had problem with blending out is this one right here called Carne Asada. I felt like it left like a harsh line, and it was so hard to blend out. I'm not saying it's impossible. Like, I made it work to my advantage. That's technically what I do when I get a palette that's like, as long as I can make it work and the ending result is passable in my mind, then it's not a loss. But if this is basically one color, so we're Gucci right here. If it was more than that color that I was having problem with, I would have definitely said, you know what, you can skip out on this one. Because I don't know if anybody else had problems with that. I should really look up videos on YouTube. Because that one, I think it's just too dark for its own good. And the way I was trying to blend it out with that transition shade, it was just there. Like a harsh line. Like I could not blend it out to save my life. But in the end, you know, the end result looks good. So that's all I really care about. I'm just letting you guys know that you might experience that. Other than that, everything else in here, I mean, I had no problems with that one. That one, really nice. That one's really nice. I love that one. And then Carnitas, because you guys know I like my shimmers. So, like, I'm loving shimmer. I love shimmers. That's it. I love shimmers. So, that's pretty much it. I'm going to leave it here. And, you know, we'll do the rest all in the beginning of the video. So, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And until next time, stay warm, stay blessed, and stay magical. Bye, you guys.